Hey everyone, welcome back to Mesmerizing Guide. So, I am in Bilbao right now, in the Basque Country of Spain, and honestly, I am kind of shocked. I didn't expect it to look like this at all. It is so much cooler than the pictures. Old Town Bilbao. First, we are starting in the oldest part of the city. It's called the Old Town, or Casco Viejo. And wow, the streets here are so narrow. There are 7 main streets that are super old, and it feels like a maze, but a fun one. Every corner you turn, there is another colorful building or a little shop. I actually got lost for a second, but that's the best way to see it. Oh, and you have to try the little snacks on bread they have here called pinchos. I had one with cheese, and it was amazing. Nervión River. Right next to the old town, you hit the water. This is the Nervión River. It literally splits the city in half. Walking along the path here is so peaceful. The water looks really green and blue today. It's crazy because this used to be a super busy industrial area with lots of factories long ago. But now it's just this beautiful, clean space where everyone hangs out and goes for runs. The river used to be the hardworking engine of the city, lined with bustling shipyards, massive steel mills, and factories. Because of all that heavy industry in the 19th and 20th centuries, the water used to be heavily polluted. The city undertook a huge environmental cleanup starting in the 1970s to restore the river to the clean, beautiful space you see today. The Zubizuri. So, walking down the river, you see this bridge. It is called the Zubizuri, which means white bridge in the Basque language. Look at the shape of it! It looks like a giant wave or a sailboat made out of white metal. Walking across it feels a bit strange because the floor is made of glass tiles. They actually had to put a giant mat over it because it gets really slippery when it rains, which happens a lot here. But man, the view from the middle of the bridge is wild. Guggenheim Museum. This is the Guggenheim Museum. Wow, it doesn't even look like a building. It looks like a giant silver spaceship or a bunch of random metal sheets stuck together. When the sun hits it, it literally glows. And wait, look at this giant dog made completely out of real flowers standing right outside. It's huge, like stories tall. I just stood here staring at it for 10 minutes. It's definitely the coolest museum exterior I've ever seen. The estuary. As you keep going down, the river turns into the main estuary. This is where the river gets really wide and heads out toward the sea. The water feels different here. more open. You can see how the city connects all the way to the ocean. There are these huge modern structures and old docks mixed together. It just shows how much this place has changed over the years. Bilbao cityscape. To finish the day, you have to see the whole cityscape. Look at this view. You have the super old streets we started in, the crazy shiny museum, the river cutting through it, and it's all surrounded by these massive, bright green mountains. It is just beautiful. The skyline perfectly contrasts the ancient 700-year-old structures of the Casco Viejo with the brilliant space-age architecture of the Guggenheim and the Zubizuri Bridge. Honestly, Bilbao blew me away. If you haven't been here, you really need to add it to your list. Thanks for watching Mesmerizing Guide. Let me know in the comments if you've ever seen a building as crazy as that museum. See you in the next one.